Hello.
Alcohol testing.
Alcohol.
Blow into the tube.
Alcohol.
Blow into the tube. Very good. Super.
All good?
No alcohol. Very good. Thank you.
Yeah. Check na naman tayo guys sa Sweden. Ganun talaga dito. Alcohol test. Checkpoint sila guys. Checkpoint. Malabo yung camera ko sa harap ah. Anong nangyari? Checkpoint, alcohol test. Ganon sila dito. Ayan, traffic na, maubos yung oras ko ngayon. Nag-off. Traffic talaga. Ilang minuto na guys. Kita nyo yan oh. Sipag sila ngayon kasi mainit eh. Sipag sila ngayon. Pati kabilang truck oh, pupuntahan niya yan oh. Alcohol test niya yan. So guys, kaya kayo mga driver ng Europe, ingat talaga kayo. Huwag kayong uminom kung gusto nyong magkalisensya pa kayo. Pati sa kabila oh. Check nila yan. Dapat gabi. Pag ngayon sila guys, walang iinom ngayon. Tuwing umaga lang. Isang pihitan ba sa lahat ng driver. Nag-random sila ngayon ah, nag-random checking ah. Ayan na. Random checking sila ngayon, nag-random. Sa Sweden.
In 200 meters, use the left lane to merge onto Helsingborg SE, Helsinger, DK. Head southeast on Helsingborg SE, Helsinger, DK.
Hello, good day.
Good day. What's inside the trailer?
It's wine.
Wine. Is it full?
Yes.
Is it from Denmark?
Yeah, and deliver your Orebro.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. sila dito guys. Kailangan safety.
In 200 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Shogaton E4.
Check up guys. Ganun dito guys. Kaya be safe when you're driving. Don't drink, don't drive. Okay mga kalagan, thank you for watching RT Lagan. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel kasi mainit na ngayon. Okay, ganun sila dito mag-check sa Sweden sa Helsingborg. Bye guys, see you next video.
Exit the roundabout onto Shogaton.
Ayan.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Ola Hamnelden E4.